Now we're going to have a look at our attendance feature, which allows you to automatically track employee hours from check-in to paycheck, so no more manual entries or late approvals needed. Now, how does it work? We use geolocation that allows employees to use their mobile to check in and check out from work. So it will pick up the exact GPS location and time that they arrived at the office and left for the day. So we also go one step further and allow you to customize that experience. So in configuration, you can customize things such as how many offices or project sites you would like and their exact locations, set up multiple work weeks if needed for employees, and add as many different work timings or shifts as needed. Our payroll integration with attendance allows you to set up custom overtime, days in lieu, and deductions policies so that at the end of the month, you can have a seamless payroll experience and have all of that kind of reviewed and sent off for final payment to employees. Now, once everybody's using up the system, we obviously want to see what kind of reports we have access to so that we can track that. So in our attendance product, we have an attendance section right here. And this would allow you to see a daily report and a custom report for any time frame that you would like, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, etc. So for the daily report, let's say I would like to look at the data for yesterday. So if I go through that here, I can see that Ella arrived at 4:25 at the Abu Dhabi office, but forgot to check out. But if I click, I can check the exact location where she checked in from. And then for Connie, I can see she was present from 8 to 3 and that it's been edited on her behalf by Nikki. So only line managers and super admins are able to do this. And in this case, they would reach out to them and ask them to edit on their behalf. Now you can see that for the 8 a.m. one, it's showing green versus the 3 o'clock checkout time is showing as red. And that is because she left early for the day. So that would be flagged on the system in order to help you as an admin stay up to date with who's arriving when and leaving when. Now for the custom report, essentially we'll give you a breakdown for whatever time frame you would select and what data it will show you. Let's say I would like to look for Connie. I can see the days she was present versus absent. Any days on leave would be shown here because it integrates with our time off system. Late arrivals would be flagged as well as early departures, and it would show the total hours worked and any extra hours for that period. You can also download this as an Excel file at any point of time. Now, last but not least, we have our nifty attendance integration with payroll. So how that works is that employees who, for example, have logged overtime can request for this on their mobile and it will be sent to the system for approval. Or for employees who are absent, for example, for yesterday, we noticed that there are a few of them. When you go over the review at the end of the month or the week or day, whatever that works best in your process, you can just go ahead and mark them as absent and then go to the time and pay adjustments where final review will happen. So for example, if I would like to move Dennis was absent yesterday as well, I can just go ahead and say that, yes, I would like that to be taken off of the section of payroll for that month. I can go to the approved requests and then add them to whichever month I'd like to pay that out or deduct that for a specific employee.